Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking Windows 10 build and applying any pending updates, because drivers and OS fixes matter. Once done, go to Settings, Accounts, Sign and Options, and remove the existing fingerprint entries so you start clean. Make sure you've backed up a PIN to use temporarily. Restart the machine, then open Device Manager and expand Biometric Devices to see current driver status. This prepares you to safely replace or reinstall drivers without wasting time on trial and error. Next, you uninstall the biometric driver in Device Manager and select Delete Driver Software for this device so no stale files remain. Then run the Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter. It finds mismatches and missing components. Make sure Group Policy allows Biometrics and Windows Hello, open gpedit if needed, and verify the Biometric and Windows Biometric service are running. After that, install the OEM driver you downloaded or accept the driver from Windows Update, because correct firmware-level drivers are often the only reliable fix. Finally, reboot and immediately re-enroll your fingerprint in Settings under Sign and Options, making sure a PIN exists as a fallback. Test several fingers and perform several lock and unlock cycles to confirm consistent recognition. This reveals intermittent sensor issues. If problems persist, update device BIOS or firmware and run sfc/scano plus dism to repair system files. If nothing else works, reset the TPM or create a new Windows user profile. That single troubleshooting step often resolves corrupted biometric credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.